Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can hide your gaming activity, for example, on Discord. For example, if you don't want your contacts, friends, and gaming buddies to see what you're currently playing, so there's a simple trick that will allow you to hide your gaming status and activity, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So there's basically only one thing you need to do, guys. Simply head over to Discord, log into your account, and here on your home screen, click on that gear icon at the bottom. After that, scroll down here on the left sidebar till you get to the activity settings and head over to activity privacy. And all you need to do, guys, is disable or turn off the two uppermost options. This one here, activity status, share your detected activities with others. So if you don't want that, simply turn it off. And also, to go 100% sure, turn off the option below, share activity status by default when joining that service. For example, guys, if you'd like to hide your activity or gaming activity from other server members. So that's basically it. That's how to do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll see you next time on our channel.